Hi, my name is Arsh. I'm going to tell you how to make this eagle plane. It flies very far. Now I will show you how to make it. First, fold this to that side. Then take this and just do like this. Then do it on the other side as well. Then open them up. Then take this part to that part. Then open it up. Then we did this right. Then to point this. Then we need to do it here to that to there. And take a little more bigger. Then take this and take this like that. Then you see a line there. You fold that like that. Then do it on the other side as well. Then take this part to that part in an inch. Then take this part to that part. Then we fold it to this side. Then we make the wings. Then we open it back up. Then look carefully. Then we fold it like that. Then open it back. Do it on the other side as well. Then see carefully. We fold this side to that side. Wait, look. We just push them inside. Then we put a little bit. Do it on the other side as well. Then push this part. Now you have the eagle. I'll show you how it flies. You go on a competition, it will win. It's the first plane. It is my favorite plane in the whole entire world. And it will throw it slowly or it will fly. Make sure to subscribe and click the like button and click the bell for it. Bye.